You know, sometimes when you're looking for the best canvas printer for your artworks and photography, they happen just to find you. And that's exactly what happened to me with Lumaprints. They saw a few of my videos, contacted me, and said, hey, why don't you give us a try? Well, they invited me to their factory, showed me around, went over all of their products, and they even gave me a printing credit to try out their service. They even wanted to sponsor this video right here. So what do I think about Lumaprints for artists and photographers? Well, let's take a look. All right, let's start with all of the good. Ordering is super simple. You basically just create an account, create a new order, drop in your high resolution image, select your product, select your size, then select additional options like what type of canvas border, hanging hardware, and canvas underlayer. Just a side note, I was actually a little confused on what a foam core underlayer was. I assumed it was kind of like a backer board on the back of the canvas that helps give it more of a solid structure so it's not flapping when it's stretched out. And while it can be used for that, Lumaprints actually let me know that it's actually for people that want to use their art for push pins and markers. Kind of think like those world maps that you used to see all the time in people's homes, where they push pins into the locations they have visited before, which is kind of a cool feature that they can do. Their ordering system is also integrated with Shopify and Etsy, making orders on those platforms super easy. Or you can use their API for simple automation for your orders. They also have a ton of different sizes and canvas surfaces. They offer prints as small as 8 by 10 inches all the way up to an astounding 52 by 110 for 1.25 and 1.5 depth, so you have an astounding awesome range to work with. Not big enough? You actually need bigger? All right, on rolled canvas, they can actually do 52 inches by 300 inches. That's insane. They also provide prints on fine art paper, metal prints, and peel and stick prints. One thing that really caught my eye with this company is that they have the ability to print on non-stretched canvas, which I have been looking for more than 2 years now. When I'm selling art at an event, I don't really want to deal with shipping out big boxes or big canvases sometimes. It just takes up a lot of space and it's an ordeal. And it can actually be very costly. Now I can offer unstretched canvas, which can be stretched later by the customer, or they can drop it in a frame, which will look awesome. Plus, these are way cheaper to ship, package, and store. A huge win in my book. All right, so how is the canvas quality? It's simply awesome. And I'm not overselling this right here. All their prints are giclée prints, which are pigments that are UV inks that are very, very durable, very rich, scratch, abrasion, and fade resistance. If you don't know what a giclée print is, it basically means that they're just free of any bad metals, including nickel. The print quality is truly outstanding. It's crisp, it's clean, it's vibrant, it's strikingly bold, it's beautiful, flawless. Results are just simply stunning. In fact, some of the art that I got to see there that they were printing looks so amazing. Their printers can handle anything, like this iPhone photo that I got printed for my friend, all the way up to super fine detail and artworks that mimic texture. Now, their canvas prints don't have a lamination process, which means you can add your own varnish or sealer to them afterwards to really make them stand out. Which I think I'm actually gonna do to one of these prints here to see how much it enhances it. Should I do a video on that so you guys can see it? Let me know in the comments down below. Their stretch bar frames are top notch. Get this, they actually use real wood for once. Hallelujah. These wood frame bars are thick, sturdy, and extremely durable. And one of the best parts about it is that they're cut clean. No splinters or shatter wood here. The canvas stretching on the bars is nice and tight, like it should be. Just listen to this. Music to my ears. Also, each canvas comes with a strong sawtooth hanger attached on the back side of the canvas. Shipping is really fast. When I placed my order, it was ready to ship out within 2 days, which is so awesome. In addition to the quick production speed, they also offer multiple ways to ship with different rates and different speeds. I can't tell you how huge that is. Can't use UPS because you have a PO box? Well, they can ship it FedEx. Live in a more rural area? Ship it with USPS. Want to save on shipping entirely and you live in Southern California? You can just select pickup. It's awesome to finally have options for once. If you're an artist that's turned your creations into a business, Lumaprints actually offers drop shipping to your customers, which is huge. So now you can just easily fulfill your orders to your customers. And yeah, if you were wondering, yes, they do international shipping. And talking about shipping, packaging is great. They have boxes for every size, so nothing is loose, shake, rattling a roll, and the box getting damaged when it's on its way to you. They wrap each print in plastic and put a protective layer of cardboard between each canvas if you order multiples. They also come with a fragile sticker on the box, which is just a nice extra little touch. Sometimes it's those little touches that matter. If you're shipping artworks to customers, you can even include an itemized invoice or a gift receipt or a personalized note like this one right here that I quickly made in Canva. Customers love this stuff, by the way, so start doing it. If you pay up for an outer display frame, the great news is they are real wood and super high quality. When you hold it, you can really feel the quality in your hand. They build and customize them right there in the shop, and the quality is just simply top notch. I can't oversell this, just listen to this. Dude, they're solid. I love it. You know, I was never a big fan of silver or champagne frames, but now seeing it with a black canvas, I really like it. What do you think? All right, so where does Lumaprints fall short? Well, I'm glad to say that there really isn't much, but I did find a few things. Like I said earlier in the video, there is no extra lamination process that they do on their prints. While not having the ability to add lamination isn't really a negative, because you know what? I can just varnish and seal my prints if I want to enhance them later down the road. I really wish that they still offered this service for the sheer reason if I choose to drop ship an order to a customer in a different state or a different part of the world, I would want to add a lamination process to it so it has a nice added layer of protection and will enhance the vibrancy and saturation of my colors. I would easily pay up for this option. I hope it's something they consider adding in the future. The print quality is strong and durable, but it's not invincible. When playing around and moving my art to make this video for you all, it accidentally slipped out of my hands, caught my frame and even my fingernail, scratching off some of the ink that's in the print. Luckily for me, it didn't do too much damage, but I want you to be aware of that you need to be careful with these type of prints if you don't plan on varnishing or sealing your prints. I mean, it's artwork after all, you should always be careful, but I'm just letting you know you should be extra careful. Okay, so what are some things that you should just be aware of? First of all, price. Prices are what I consider normal and very reasonable for the quality that you will be receiving. For a 16 by 20 inch canvas, you'll be paying around $25 to $30 depending on the thickness that you want. And the quality that you're going to get is well worth that price. Also, customer service is something that I can't really comment on too much because while I didn't have any major issues with my order that would require me to contact customer service, I was able to talk to the people at Lumaprints. Their customer service teams are real people, a huge win. They explained to me they basically have a customer first policy. If there is anything wrong with your order or prints, they will fix it within reason, of course, and they will ship you out a replacement as fast as they can. Something else that I want to mention that sets them apart that they don't mention on their site is that if you're unsure about an artwork image that you are trying to print, you can email them and they will try their best to help you figure out what will be best for you or if that image will work, which is just literally the cherry on top. Most other print-on-demand services will charge you anywhere from a few dollars all the way up to $15 per image. It really just shows that they go above and beyond to help out their customers. Lumaprints seriously delivers. Between the size ranges, high quality Glee clay prints, real wood frames, and fast turnaround times, it's just clear they care about both the artist and the end customer. Are there a few things I'd love to see added, like the optional lamination for slightly tougher surface protection? Sure, I mean, of course, but the pros far outweigh the cons. If you're interested in trying them out for yourself and you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you very much. I have a special gift for you, a coupon code down in the video description that will save you on your first order with Lumaprints. Now, if you're looking for a print-on-demand service that offers a lamination process, or perhaps you need a print-on-demand service that is more budget-friendly, check the videos over to my side where you get to see more of me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.